Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find a and b. Solution: square root of a plus square root of b equal to 14. Square root of a plus b equal to 10. This is the equation 2. This is equation number 1. Now from equation 2, square root of a plus b equal to 10. We are going to take square on both sides. So square root of whole square equal to 10 square. Now the square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have a plus b equal to 10 square is 100. This is equation 3. Now from equation 1, square root of a plus square root of b equal to 14. Now we are going to keep this square root of a left hand side and move this square root of b right hand side. So equal to 14 minus square root of b. Now we are going to take square on both sides. Square here square. Now we are going to apply this a minus b whole square algebra formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This formula we are going to apply here. So this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have a equal to 14 square plus square root of b square minus 2 times of 14 times of square root of b. Now a equal to square root of 14 is 196 plus this square and square root will cancel each other. So b minus 2 times 14 is 28 square root of b. Now a equal to 196 plus b minus 28 square root of b. Now from equation 3, a plus b equal to 100. Now a equal to 100 minus b. This a value we are going to substitute here. So 100 minus b equal to 196 plus b minus 28 square root of b. Now this b we are moving right hand side. Also this 196 we are moving left hand side. So 100 minus 196 equal to plus b minus 28 square root of b. Now this is minus 96 equal to this is 2b minus 28 square root of b. Now divide by 2 on both sides. Here minus 48 equal to b minus 14 square root of b. Now moving this right hand side. So b minus 14 square root of b plus 48 equal to 0. Let us consider square root of b equal to x. b equal to, from this, x square. So applying this here, so we'll get x square minus 14x plus 48 equal to 0. Now this 14x can be written as x square minus 8x minus 6x plus 48 equal to 0. Now x common from this, so x open bracket, x minus 8 close bracket. Here minus 6 we are going to take, so minus 6, x minus 8 equal to 0. Now x minus 8 we are going to take common, so x minus 8, we have x minus 6 here equal to 0. Now we have found x minus 8 equal to 0, other one is x minus 6 equal to 0. So x equal to 8 here, right hand side x equal to 6 here. These are the x value we found. Now recall this, call square root of b equal to x. This we are going to substitute here. So square root of b equal to 8. Here square root of b equal to 6. Now we are going to take square on both sides. So square here, here square. The square and square root will cancel each other. So b equal to 8 square. So b equal to 64. Here same way, take a square on both sides. So this square and square root will cancel each other. b equal to 6 square is 36. Now this we are going to apply in 3. So equation 3 is a plus b, here is 64 equal to 100. Same way, a equal to 100 minus 64. So a equal to 36. Here a plus 36 equal to 100. A equal to 100 minus 36. So a equal to 64. Now the answer here is a comma b is equal to 36 comma 64 and 64 comma 36. This is the possible answer for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.